Across Ghana, thousands live with foot and ankle deformities, conditions that limit movement, cause pain, and often lead to social stigma. For many, the chance to receive quality surgical care feels out of reach. But in the heart of Ashaiman, hope is taking root. Since 2022, the Helper Medical Missions, in partnership with New Crystal Health Services Limited, has been offering free corrective surgeries to restore not just movement, but dignity. Every year, Dr. Chrisbel, a passionate Ghanaian surgeon abroad, returns home to serve his people, performing life-changing procedures at New Crystal Hospital, one patient at a time.
My name is Dr. Chrisbel, the Honorable Foot and Ankle Surgeon out in Florida, USA. I started this mission work here in Ghana at New Crystal Hospital about 2 years ago, and the goal is to help one person at a time. The goal is to make a difference in one person's life at a time. We've been doing this is our second year, like I said, and we see any type of deformity in the lower extremity from the knee down. We've been doing a lot of clubfoot reconstruction, a lot of flat foot reconstruction, a lot of trauma, of ankle fractures and foot fractures, and then also infection management as well in the foot and ankle.
This program is more than medical care. It's a mission to transform lives, to help people walk with confidence, return to work, go back to school, and regain their place in society.
Hello, Bibia. I'm Chichi William, but your friend is Zion and I'm Heritage. Maybe 27 years. I'm committee one and I'm meeting. Mr. Moon, but your last year. No, and I'm Madame Fubi catcher me say, I'm a year leg surgery or Ashama, New Crystal Hospital. It's in or send me a flyer and it be a seven corner tramila. I'm here, don't so some call Honor, only for places, some me screening, we could try lab, and I'm call X-ray. And I'm going to share duty and numbers in I'm going to share 2025. Mr. 2025 for my friend. My course also I'm a year man. I'm a CC, I'm a more cassé. We go to crack a Helen Kakranka. Miss Ruby, I said, we are our so alcohol, our machine time say, we do some bear one, Mama and I be moved, we do some friend on my yaman. And I'm with the New Crystal Hospital, so I say, and a doctor, a Chris Ross, so I say, Nakupon Shano, no man, I want to no cost near Adoye and money passer. Before then, my uncle surgery. No more challenges, Kaka. Even say, maintain shame young combo, shoes near the other, maintain shady, and I feel we do with so many, you know, Nami gaining weight in 70. I'm an answer to the me, and I'm a long distance, so to be some Philippine, and I'm a general check a car, I'm a Philippine, and I'm an amateur. So, me decided to say, so much for Tramila. Siano, Yamaya, surgery is successful. My expectations is I'm submitting my shame combo. I'm submitting my 19 free, meet my 19 1 hour, 2 hours, abroad, so many Philippines to be happy. Thank you, Dr. Chris. Thanks to New Crystal Hospital. God bless you.
Hi there, my name is Sebi Abednego Tete, and I'm the marketing manager of New Crystal Health Services Limited. For the past 3 years, New Crystal Health Services Limited, we are privileged to partner the Helper Medical Mission to undertake free surgeries for people suffering with foot and ankle deformities. Through this ongoing program, we've been able to provide free surgeries to over 30 people, and now they can walk confidently and freely. This collaboration with the Helper Medical Missions demonstrates our commitment to providing high quality and accessible healthcare to our valued patients in our operating communities. And it syncs with our tagline, which says, growing together in good health. So, the main goal of this collaboration between New Crystal Health Services Limited and the Helper Medical Mission is together changing and transforming lives one at a time. New Crystal Health Services Limited, growing together in good health.
My name is Mensa Meli Benita. I I am 28 years of age. I am a beneficial from a surgery foot ankle that happened. I was enrolled last year. I heard about it. Actually, a friend saw it on social media, recommended it to me. Initially, I didn't believe it was true because there are scams all over, but it's worth a try. So I wanted to give it a try, how best it will go. So I went, I was enrolled, but I was told that they would not be able to do it for me. That was last year. So probably it will be done for me this year, which is 2025. And glory be to God, on 14th of March, my surgery was done for me successfully. But I must say it wasn't an easy journey. It was painful. It was very, very painful. But you know, once you are determined to do something and you've made up your mind, you must be ready to take every risk that comes with it. I was able to socialize, make new friends, learn something new. I thank God for the benefactor behind this thing, the one who initiated this foot surgery. God bless him so much for giving us the opportunity to make us belong to society once again. We are grateful. God bless him so much. I am very grateful to him for what he has done for me. And I want to thank New Crystal Hospital too for being there for us, for opening their rooms for us for the surgery to be done for us. We are grateful. Initially, when the surgery was not done for me, I find it difficult going out with people because I looked very odd. This shoe is purposely meant to help straighten the legs while getting healed. Thank you, Dr. Chris, for this opportunity once again. God bless you, and I'm very grateful. Thank you all. Bye.
Lives have been changed, but many more still wait. With your support, we can reach more communities, restore more lives, and expand this life-giving mission.